What's the meaning of annunciation? Annunciation. 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 Annunciation.
Annunciation refers to the announcement or declaration of something, often an important message or news. This term is commonly used in religious contexts to refer to the announcement made by the angel Gabriel to Mary that she was chosen to be the mother of Jesus Christ. The concept of annunciation can also apply to other situations where a significant message is communicated, such as in politics or business. Overall, the term annunciation implies an act of communication that is noteworthy or impactful in some way.